lovers of Dhamma, lovers of truth. 151.1 Singhala Sutta, Digha Nikaya 3.8 Discipline of Lay People, Advice to Singhalaka, Pali to Sinhala comment by Pallegama Samita Mahathero. Today we are going to explain about the Singhala Sutta. The sutta is mentioned in the Digha Nikaya, the long discourses. Something needs to be said about this sutta. This is a very famous sutta all over the world, especially among Buddhists. The reason is that this sutta talks about the lay discipline. There is a monastic discipline, means a pattern of behavior for both monks and nuns. There is also pattern of life for lay people, how to be successful in this world and in the next life. That is why this is called the lay discipline. This sutta is known in Sri Lanka as the Singalovada Sutta, but the name of this sutta in the textbook is the Singhala Sutta. Within the sutta we find that the name of Situputra, son of the rich Situ, is Singhalaka. So there are several such variations. Thus I have heard, the Ananda Hamduru starts. On one occasion the most noble Buddha was dwelling in the bamboo grove, the squirrel sanctuary near Rajagaha. Evam Yestang Ekan Samyam Bhagava Rajagahe Virati Veluane Kalandaka Nivape. We see that the sutra was preached by the Buddha during his stay at Veluvanarame in Rajagaha, Magadha state. The place Veluvanarame is also very important to us. Velu means bamboo. This is the first temple donated to the Buddha in the park. This donation was made by King Bimbisar. Now at that time, young Singhala, a householder's son, rising early in the morning, departing from Rajagaha with wet clothes and wet hair, worshipped with joined hands the various quarters, directions, the east, the south, the west, the north, the up sky, and the down earth. Tenakopana Samayena, Singalako Gahapatiputto, Kalaseva Uttaya, Rajagaha Nikamitva, Allavatto, Allakeso, Pandaliko, Putuddisa Namassati, Purattimang Disang, Dakkinang Disang, Pachimang Disang, Uttarang Disang, Chettimang Disang, Uparimang Disang. Usually a householder refers to the head of the house. But here the word Singhalaka refers to a son of a rich person of the class Situ. Allavatto Allakeso means having clothes and hair wet with water. We have seen that in India both men and women take a dip in the Ganges river and perform various pujas like Hiru Puja, Surya Namaskara in the morning. The word Allah is related to the word Ardra, water in Sanskrit. In Sinhala we say Alvatura. Thus, then the Buddha, having robed himself in the forenoon, took ball and robe and entered Rajagaha for arms round. Now he saw young Singhala worshipping with joined hands the various quarters, directions, the east, the south, the west, the north, the up sky and the down earth. Atako Bhagava Pubbanna Samayang Nivasitva Patta Chivara Madaya Rajagahang Pinda Pindaya Pavis Addasako Bhagava Singhalakang Gahapatiputang Kalaseva Uttaya Rajagaha Nikamitva Allavattang Allakesang Panjalikang Putuddisa Namassanta Purattimandisang Dakkinandisang Pachimandisang Uttarandisang Chettimandisang Parimandisang. Having seen thus, the Buddha spoke to him as follows. Wherefore do you, young householder, rising so early in the morning, departing from Rajagaha with wet clothes and wet hair, worship with joined hands these various quarters, directions, the east, the south, the west, the north, the up sky and the down earth. Disva Singhalakang Gahapatiputtang Buddha ate the watch. Bhagava ate the watch. King Nuko Twang Gahapatiputta Kalaseva Uttaya Rajagaha Nikamitva Allavatto Allakeso Panjaliko Putuddisa Namassasi Purattimandisang Dakkinandisang Pachimandisang Uttarandisang Chettimandisang Parimandisanti. Surely the Buddha knew this Singhalaka Situputra, the son of the rich Situ, before this incident. Singhalaka must be son of a famous Situ. That is why the Buddha asks why he leaves this Rajagaha, the city, and comes and bows to each direction in the river. My father, Lord, while dying, said to me, the 6 quarters, dear son, you shall worship. And I, Lord, respecting, reverencing and honoring my father's word, rise early in the morning and leaving Rajagaha with wet clothes and wet hair worship with joint hands these 6 quarters. Pitamahang Bante Kalang Karonto Evang Avoch Disa Tata Namasseyasi Ti Soko Ahang Bante Pitu Vachanang Sakkaronto Garukaronto Manento Pujento Kalaseva Uttaya Rajagaha Nikamitwa Allavatto Allakeso Panjaliko Putudisa Namassami Purattimandisang Uparimandisang etc. It is not thus, young householder, the 6 quarters directions should be worshipped in the discipline of the nobles. Noko Gahapati Putta Aryasa Vinaye Evang Chaddisa Namassi Tabbati. This is very important point. If you carefully examine the sutras preached by the Buddha all the time, you will see that attacking the traditional customs and beliefs of Indian society is a disgrace to the entire country and society. Therefore, if you say that what you are now doing is a great folly, is a foolish thing, it will hurt the entire society. The Buddhists did not do that. The Buddhists did not change the existing tradition. He gave a new interpretation to the existing tradition. Later, when the teachers of traditional beliefs learned what the Buddha had done, I think it is after the Buddha's Parinibbana, they also did the same thing towards Buddha. They said that the Buddha was an incarnation of Lord Vishnu himself. How then, Lord, should the 6 quarters be worshipped in the discipline of the noble? Asked the Sitaputra, the Singala. It is well, Lord, if the Buddha would teach the doctrine to me, showing how the 6 quarters should be worshipped in the discipline of the noble. Yatakatang panabante aryasya vinaye cha disa namassitabba sadhu me bante bhagava tata dhammang desetu yata aryasya vinaye cha disa namassitabbati. Here is another important word, Arya Savaka. There are 2 words called Arya Savaka. That is a grammatical problem. You know there is a grammatical rule called samasa. These 2 words are formed from 2 different samasas. Aryochako so savako chati. Arya Savako is one samasa. That is, Arya Savaka is formed from the Kammadhari samasa. These Arya Savaka are the 8 noble people who have reached the path of Nibbana or the fruit of Arahantship. There is another samasa that is derived from the Sappurusha samasa and is called Aryanang Savako Arya Savaka. That means the Savaka who follow the noble, Aryans, the nobles. They have not seen Nibbana themselves, but follow these who have seen Nibbana, noble. Those Arya Savaka do not know anything, don't know many things, but they know that if they do merit punya karma, they will get happy results, and if they commit sins, they will get suffering. Arya Savaka mentioned here are such people in this sutta. Well, young householder, listen and bear it well. I shall speak. Tenahi Gapatiputta sunohi sadhukang manasikarohi vasissamiti. Then the Singala said, very good Lord. And the Buddha spoke as follows. Evam bante ti ko Singalako Gapatiputto Bhagavato Pachasosi Bhagava ate the watch. Inasmuch young householder as a noble disciple has eradicated the 4 vices in conduct, inasmuch as he commits no evil action in 4 situations, inasmuch as he pursues not the 6 channels for dissipating wealth, losing wealth, he thus avoiding these 14 evil things covers the 6 quarters and enters the path leading to victory in both worlds. He is favored in this world and in the world of beyond. Upon the dissolution of the body after death, he is born in a happy heavenly realm. Yatoko Gapatiputta Arya Savakas Chattaro Kammakilesa Pahina Honti Chatuhi Cha Tanehi Papakammang Na Karoti Cha Bhoganang Apaya Mukang Na Sevati So Evang Chuddasa Papakapa Gato Chaddisa Patichadi Ubo Loka Vijaya Patipanno Hoti Tassa Ayancheva Loko Araddo Hoti Parolcha Loko. So Kayasabeda Paramarana Sugating Saggang Lokang Pajjati. The Buddha preaches that if one reduces 4 types of vices, does not commit sins in 4 places, and avoids 6 types of material damage, one will attain happiness in this life as well as to be born in a happy state after death. It is clear here that anyone who follows these 14 principles, even if they are not Buddhists, will will begin to find happiness in this life. After death, in the next world, they will also begin to find happiness. The Buddha does not call young man to become a Buddhist first. That is the end of the first part. Bear with us. We will continue to explain Most Noble Buddha's reply in detail in our next parts.